Sunlight warms a school clearing, children play, and animals gather in peace. A squirrel chatters from a branch, its tiny tail twitching. "Was that you?" Xavier's calm denial hangs in the air. Not this time. The ground trembles violently, shattering the serene morning with raw power. Laughter dies as carefree joy turns to stunned silence, a world disrupted. Eyes widen in alarm, heads swivel, seeking the source of the ominous tremor. Xavier walks a winding forest path, his animal companions trailing behind, a silent procession through the rustling leaves. The raccoon, squirrel, bear cub, fox, and tiger cub exchange worried glances, an echo of the earlier tremor. Fox breaks the silence, his voice laced with sarcasm. "Very polite, Mountain." Xavier remains silent, his expression unreadable as he continues his march, the weight of the forest on his shoulders. The animal's eyes reflect the dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy, a mix of fear and loyalty. In a flashback, young Xavier approaches a tiny, serene mountain in a vast valley. Suddenly, the mountain erupts in a boom, sneezing and shaking the very ground. The mountain apologizes, its voice echoing through the valley. "Sorry," Xavier, VO, remarks with dry humor, "Seasonal allergies." The earth trembles violently as dust rains down, the forest canopy shaking under the unseen force. "We need to help him," Xavier declares, his young voice ringing with urgency and resolve. A squirrel, a robin, and a rabbit gather, their eyes reflecting Xavier's fervent determination. Together, they unite, and a plan forms. A quest for pollen, reducing plants deep within the forest.